friends from the press and the media, the students, creators, faculty, everyone who makes NIIFT what NIIFT is today. It's ninth in the country, it's well ranked, it has been consistently ranked from the last so many years. Today we would like to show you a sample of some of the beautiful creations which have been done by the passing out students of fashion design department, the final year passing out students of fashion design department. You will see in detail all the samples and ensembles on the 22nd at Ludhiana and on the 24th in Shivalik Public School in Mohali itself. So we have basically two fashion shows coming up, one for our Ludhiana center and one for our Mohali center. I also take this opportunity to invite all of you at both the fashion shows. Take up for formal invitation, timings, etc. I will ask the coordinator to convey to you the precise timings and everything. And as far as today is concerned, the details will be given to you by Dr. Poonam Agarwal, principal, and Indrajit will talk to you also about how NIIFT is doing and the upcoming admissions, as well as placements. About placements also Dr. Poonam will tell you. Very shortly we've always had 100% placements. We are lucky that way in NIIFT, but luck does not come only by divine intervention. Luck comes through hard work, and the hard work is of the faculty and the students, as well as the confidence which is reposed by industry in our students. Despite the competition across India, from NIIFT, from Punjab University, from lots of other places, NIIFT only has always stood its ground, and it has always been head and shoulders apart, above, or equal to any of them. We are less than none. And yes, our placements always have been very good. Very shortly, I would also like to tell you that the textile and apparel industry for Punjab, as you are already aware, is very important. Almost about 5,000 crores of exports of textiles and yarn, and about 3,500 crores of apparel and garments are exported every year. As per the last statistics, this is around almost 9,000 crores from Punjab alone, which is roughly more than 33%, more than one-third of our exports on a base of 22,000 crores. That is the importance of the sector, not only for Punjab, also for India. Textile and apparel sector is very important for India. The reason why this is important, and the reason why Government of India is giving a lot of importance to the export sector, and because they are very competitive in apparel textiles. In fact, Government of India has set up National Institute of Fashion Technology, so it can come up with deep curriculum to create designers and technical people for the future. NIIFT was also set up with a collaboration in '95 with NIIFT, Government of India, Ministry of Textiles, and we also follow exactly the same deep curriculum. 3 undergraduate courses and 2 postgraduate courses. I'd like to dwell more on that. We have in our midst Miss Khadi India 2017. She is a student and she was crowned Miss Khadi India in the 2017 Khadi show at Delhi by Khadi Industries Commission, Government of the Ministry of MSME. I don't know if Khushbu is here for. In fact, this good news was given to me just now by Dr. Poonam. I had requested her if she could ask her, despite her busy schedule and her offer for placements, if she can spare some time for us to to actually reflect what NIIFT is in the proper way that it ought to be reflected. And but basically here today we are not going to give you anything artificial. We are not going to give you models from Bombay and models from Delhi. We don't believe in that, right? We believe in our own people. We believe that our own students of fashion design and textile design or any other department are our own models. They are our own brand ambassadors. And this momentous decision was taken last year that NIIFT itself is good in everything, and NIIFT should promote its own students, its own brands and its own clothes. We should not depend on outside support. And yes, that was a very strategic decision, and thanks to all the support we get from our very dynamic and visionary Honorable Industries and Commerce Minister. On account of a model code of conduct, he could not come here today. And we also would like to say that we have lots of support from Madam Vinay Mahajan, Additional Chief Secretary Industries and Commerce, and also Chairperson NIIFT, as well as from Mr. Manjeet Singh Brad, who is the Director General NIIFT and also Director of Industries and Commerce. So we have a very good team at the top level. We have a good reach, and we intend to take NIIFT to places. And I'm sure with your support and with all my colleagues, this is what we intend to achieve, and we will definitely achieve it. For the rest of the stuff, I'm sure the nitty-gritties and technicalities, we have Dr. Poonam Agarwal and Inderjeet Singh. Inderjeet Singh, Registrar, will now talk to you about the admission status, and followed by Poonam. And
hello. Once again, I welcome all of you. So our the director, Mr. K.S. Barad, has explained you regarding the institute and the event we are going to hold on 22nd and 24th of this month. I won't take much of your time. This year we are changing our Anukama as compared to last year. Regarding earlier, we had been hiring a professional choreographer and professional models. This year we have decided that our own students, they will walk the ramp, and this will be choreographed by our own faculty, which have I would say more experience than professionals. Dr. Simrita, Navdeep, and our CCFD, our Department of Fashion Design, Ms. Devti, they will be handling the choreography job. So regarding admissions, admission in the institute given purely on merit basis. We conduct all India level test. It is being conducted by IMA. You might be knowing IMA, All India Management Association, which conducts a test for CAT and MAT. They conduct test for us also. So the admissions have been on since February. Now, on the demand of students and their parents, the last date has been extended from 23rd of May to 26th of May. Now the students can apply online up to 26th of May. So regarding the courses, Ma'am Poonam Agarwal will tell you regarding the detail of courses. So we are conducting BSc and MSc courses, detail she will tell you. So please convey my message as the event is important. The message which I want to convey you to the students, prospective students and their parents, that they have a best opportunity to make their rewards a professional in the field of fashion design and textile design, management, marketing. So the last date is 26th of May. Please convey this message to the parents, students, prospective students.
On behalf of NIIFT, I once again welcome you and feel proud that we people are in front of you with the 22nd Anukama, 54 collections, 35 in-house models who will walk the ramp, 2 beautiful choreographers who've been with us as a support all through. And that's all what we had to show you on 24th, that is 24th May at Shivali Public School. On your right, on your left, all around, you will see beautiful collections developed by students. As always, we worked on varied type of materials, starting from khadi till jute to spandex to technical textiles and many more, details of which will be shared with you by our Professor Ms. D. who is also head of the Department Fashion Design. Telling you about a little bit of the presently running 3 graduate programs. The fashion design program, which has always been in news, the textile design program, and also fashion design next, which is specially being run at Ludhiana because of the demand from the industry. We have 2 master's programs with us. One is MSc Government Manufacturing Technology, Another one is MSc Fashion Marketing and Management. I would like to add here, the programs are very, very well acceptable by the industry to an extent that we have more demand than supply of these students. So while you people are writing for us, I would request you to kindly inform the students in the Tri-City and around that there is such a beautiful course being run by NIIFT where the takers are less, however, the requirement from the industry is more. With our placements day before yesterday, and there were around 12 companies who came to the campus. We have around 12 lined up for our students today, and the placements will continue till the 25th. So you might get also a chance to interact with our placement coordinator. Till date, NIIFT has been placing 100% students, all those students who give the requirement of being placed. This year, as per now, from the campus, the maximum package that has gone is only in the morning, we were informed today, is like more fashion Surat. So we can get the companies coming from as far as Surat also. We've already had an international company who came for placement must this time, and they placed students for Jordan, Bangladesh and Vietnam. So it's not only the national companies which have been approaching NIIFT, but even we have some sort of recognition, rather a very wonderful place we've made for ourselves in the international scenario. Name of brand, all top lead brands are, the seats at all the top lead brands are being occupied by NIIFT Mohali students, and which are being very, very well paid. I would also want to add in here, there was one student who was taken up by a company in Surat last year, and I happened to have talked with him yesterday, and he says, ma'am, last year I was placed at 25,000 and he's getting 1,60,000 as his last salary slip that he got. So not even 12 months, because he moved out from here in July. It is not even 12 months and he got such a great rise. So that is the type of scope that NIIFT offers to its students. And we have a beautiful future for them, and we would request all of you to kindly cover the stories individually of these students also, because the more we tell the world about the institute, the more we will have the students falling in.
I am tempted to drop a few heavy sounding names just to add what Poonam Agarwal had said. Though then Pella 17th Friday no, we had two companies, Tommy Hilfiger and Calvin Klein. उन्होंने साढ़े दो स्टूडेंट्स सेलेक्ट किए हैं, टॉमी हिलफिगर एंड कैल्विन क्लाइन, एंड so that is a start.
Sir, थोड़े reluctant होंगे मालूम। I feel proud कि even sir की अपनी daughter ने साढ़े कॉलेज में जो fashion marketing and management का program किया थी, and as मेरे को सारे ज़्यादा की northern region को independently handle कर रही है. So we cannot have a better example. He himself is the best example, and he knows कि वो student है ना ते अपने खर्च है, ते वो भी ऐसा नहीं pass out है. सारे टॉप लीड डिजाइनर्स हेमंत, नंदिता, सौरभ, प्रकाश, जय प्रवेश, ये सारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ने सिर्फ अपना एक छोटा छोटा काम ना करते हुए आज इन्होंने मल्टीपल इंडस्ट्रीज लाइया ने ते अगे हजारों लोगों को रोजगार दे रहे हैं. सही मायने ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ एंटरप्रेन्योर बने ने. सवेरे भी मैं ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੰਪਨੀਆਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ 2012 ਬੈਚ ਦਾ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਹੈ. ਅੱਜ चाल नहीं चली जाती, and we feel proud कि इस तरीके ना सारे बच्चे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप दे विच भी बहुत अगे लंघ रहे हैं ते उन्होंने साडा इन्ना साथ दिता है कि हुण एंटरप्रेन्योर बन के वो ਜਿਹੜੇ भी स्टूडेंट्स लगते हैं निफ्ट मोहाली के लगते हैं.
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਐਡਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ 85% ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸੀਟਸ ਰਿਜ਼ਰਵ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਫॉर ਪੰਜਾਬ ਲਈ. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਅੱਗੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ, ਹਲੇ ਵੀ ਘੱਟ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ. ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ ਕੰਪੀਟ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਬਟ 85% ਸੀਟਸ ਆਰ ਰਿਜ਼ਰਵਡ ਫॉर ਦੀ ਡੋਮਿਸਾਈਲ ਆਫ ਪੰਜਾਬ.
Shahar and Umar. So these are the models in front of you. They are the kids of the NIIFT, the super good looking and the gorgeous female. All are standing in front of you with a smiling face. And I would also like to add to introduce the very hardworking coordinators of NIIFT. They are Vani. She's